The void does not empty you. It reveals you. There is a silence that exists beyond sound.
It is the silence of the void.
And in that silence, we are forced to ask,
who am I when no one is watching?
Media has long used space as a mirror.
A vast, beautiful canvas for our deepest fears.
Loneliness in space is not just physical distance.
It is the distance between who we were and who we become.
To see their home from afar is to see yourself from afar.
And in that detachment, identity fractures.
If I can be replicated, am I still singular? If I am alone, do I still exist?
we chase connection across light years.
Only to find that connection was never guaranteed.
In cinema, the void becomes a character.
It does not threaten. It simply observes.
And observation without acknowledgement, that is a unique cruelty.
We scream into the void.
And sometimes, the void screams back.
But what happens when we begin to merge with it?
When we upload ourselves to the infinite,
Is identity then a choice? Or a ghost?
We define ourselves by those we orbit.
And when the orbit collapses,
We are left untethered.
Even in civilization, loneliness persists. Because loneliness is not absence of others.
It is absence of understanding.
we preserve knowledge for who? For a future that may never arrive.
But they can hear you think.
And thoughts in isolation become something else.
They become gravity. We romanticize what we have lost. But memory is an unreliable narrator.
Even in creation, there is solitude.
To be the first is to be the only. And to be the only is to carry everything. Every hope. Every failure. Survival without witness. Is it survival at all?
Time stretches differently in the void. A year can feel like an eternity.
Or an eternity can feel like a year.
We become strangers to ourselves.
Even together, we can be lost.
Can you feel homesick for it?
We send messages into the dark.
Is watching too. Itching too.
Identity in war becomes simple.
You are, you destroy.
Until the lines blur.
We fill the galaxy with our presence.
And yet, we remain islands.
Islands pretending to be continents.
We build systems to protect us.
But systems cannot hold us.
Then, one day, a signal arrives.
And we realize we are terrified of not being alone. Because the void inside us
may be mirrored by the void outside. And to meet that void is to meet ourselves.
A reflection we did not ask for.
A truth we cannot escape.
We are born alone. We leave alone.
The void simply reminds us of what we already know.
But within that knowing, there is also beauty.
Because loneliness births art.
Art births meaning.
And meaning
Meaning makes the silence bearable. so we create.
We build. We leave our mark on the infinite.
If this journey into the void resonated with you, follow Astrogen. Let us explore together. Subscribe now.